Chairman, up with it. You're looking at the thing, you know, high press again, don't. Yo, you know what I say? What day, when I talk about the thing I say, yo, the blackers them, only need to start black about Jamaica. Now watch what I say. The reason why I pull a concept is that a whole heap of we want to return home. A whole heap of we want to go our yard, have a relax and live the authentic vibes of who we are. So, in a respect, what I talk about is that when they're there, I see the violence, so they might talk about, but then go pick it out because remember now, remember I talk about so the police don't do them job, but now we need to enhance. When I tell you the hospital, Black River, still designated desert land. The surrounding area get affected by the Hurricane Melissa from them time. They still deserted, you know, reconstruction, road, you know, ditches, gully, trench, everything, you know, whole heap of rainfall and it open a whole heap of other places. Some places where you never know they are Jamaica. I swear. When you go White House, you know, chop Sablamara, go up on the outskirts, go with the storm effect. So, what I say now is that the government knows we have that amount of strength within us to do what we need to do in order to have a life. But a whole heap of people don't have no life within the concept of living life and moving forward because them still upon zero. You see what I say? So, the blackers need to start black about them thing then. Start putting that strength for the reconstruction, you know what I say, because we know we're going to better, not worse. But we need to do it the right way because the people them on the ground in Jamaica, like the ones them without the IQ, the limited IQ, for know and accept what go on, them are miss out. A hustling, that's them still are going with. We are in the hustling never stop, but the hustling need to mature. Everything will become digital, everything will become this and that. You know what I say? A whole heap of things where people never know them know. I don't know, so they could claim tax at Jamaica also. So the people need to know these things. Get them knowledge up, get the IQ up, so them can move forward with the infrastructure. Mr. Andrew Owens only need to do the thing. Governments only need to do the thing. Black guys only need to do the thing. Bring Jamaica forward now. Remember, you know, every foreigner buy out Jamaica except Jamaica. And who they are Jamaica, I do it because they know where they live. But we need to do the right thing.